Most people still use ChatGPT like a simple chat box. That is a mistake. ChatGPT is now a full software with several types of features you can use to make life better, and I bet you won't even need to pay for other AI tools. In this video, I will show you the new ChatGPT in one clear walkthrough. You will see what is new, what actually works, and how to use each feature step by step. By the end, you will understand how ChatGPT fits into real work, study, and daily tasks, not just simple questions. If you really want to become a ChatGPT expert, this video is for you, and please watch till the end. So, we will cover 16 powerful ChatGPT features most people ignore and don't even use at all. It will cover sending emails, notifications, and schedule tasks, using real apps inside ChatGPT, writing and editing with Canvas, deep research for full reports, realistic image generation, voice mode instead of typing, screen sharing on mobile, ChatGPT projects for long-term work, custom GPTs you can share, ChatGPT memory, temporary chat sessions, the ChatGPT Agent, group chats and exporting work, parental controls, study and learn mode, and shopping research. Without wasting time, let us dive in. The first point is that ChatGPT can now send you emails via scheduled tasks. To set this up, go to Settings in ChatGPT, then Notifications, then Tasks, and toggle on Push an Email. In this section, you can also see all your scheduled tasks. Then, the next thing is to go to ChatGPT and schedule any task and ask it to be mailed to you. You can type an example like this: every day at this time, send me top AI news for the day. As you can see from the email, I received top breaking AI news at the exact time. This is so good, and every ChatGPT user should be using it. The next point is using apps inside ChatGPT. This is where ChatGPT connects to real tools like Canva, Replit, Stripe, and Adobe Photoshop. There are more than 70 apps available. To use any app, you must already have an account with that app. Let me walk you through a simple example using Canva. First, go to Settings, then click Apps, then click Add More. Select Canva and click Connect. Once that is done, go back to the chat. Type a prompt like create a birthday party poster. ChatGPT sends the task to Canva and creates the design for you. The next point is the ChatGPT Canvas feature. For me, Canvas now replaces Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, especially when I want to do basic tasks. To do this, just type a prompt and select Canvas from the drop-down menu, and ChatGPT will respond and write inside Canvas. It lets you write, edit, and fix documents in real time. You can see changes instantly as you work. When you are done, you can download your file right away. This makes writing faster and easier because everything happens in one place. The next point is deep research. This is free research that goes deep into websites for you. ChatGPT reads the pages carefully and then gives you a clean report. You can ask for the result as a PDF, notes, or a summary. This is very useful for school, work, business research, or learning about a new topic. To use it, just select Deep Research from the drop-down menu, input your topic, and let ChatGPT do its work. Next is realistic image generation with ChatGPT. The new image model is very good at faces and details. It can copy expressions and styles very well. You can describe the image you want, or you can upload a photo and ask ChatGPT to refine it. This model is the best for removing and varying backgrounds, even better than Nano Banana Pro. I uploaded this image and asked ChatGPT to replace the background with a beach, and it was so perfect. The sixth point is voice and audio mode. Instead of typing every time, you can just talk to ChatGPT. You explain what you want and it responds by voice. My best use case is using this while driving. I can describe a concept and listen to the answer simultaneously.
Can you show me a map of the best bakeries in the Mission District?
Sure. Here's a map of the top bakeries in the Mission District.
This lets you do two things at once. In the web version, you can also talk, and it transcribes it in real time, so you don't have to time ever again. The next point is screen sharing, which works only in the mobile app. To use it, tap the voice icon in the chat, tap the video icon, then tap start sharing your screen. ChatGPT can now see what you see. You can ask it to explain something or show you how to do a task in real time.
What are you seeing here first off?
I see a message from someone asking if they have what it takes to be a professional mall Santa.
The 8th point is ChatGPT Projects. Projects let you keep charts, files, and instructions together for ongoing work. To use this, create a project, upload your key files, and set your instructions. After that, you continue all related work inside the same project. This is very helpful for long-term tasks. The next point is custom GPTs. These are special AI assistants you build for specific tasks. You define how they behave and what they know. You can use your files, images, or other content to train them. To create one, click Explore GPTs, then click Create. Give it a name. Add your instructions and files. And save it. Custom GPTs are shareable and can be published in the GPT store, whereas ChatGPT projects are private workspaces for long-term work. The 10th point is ChatGPT Memory. This feature lets ChatGPT remember things about you and your preferences across conversations. You can also control what it remembers. To manage this, go to Settings, click Personalization, then click Manage Memory. From there, you can add or delete anything you want ChatGPT to remember or don't remember. The next point is temporary chat. This creates a chat session with no memory and no history. To use it, open ChatGPT, click Start a temporary chat at the top, and work as you usually would. When you end the session, nothing is saved. I like using this for quick questions because it keeps my chats and memory clean. The next point is the ChatGPT Agent. This feature handles complex tasks that have many steps. You describe the goal clearly, and the agent takes over and does the work for you. You only approve actions when ChatGPT asks for them. I like using this for competitor analysis. For example, I ask it to research top AI creators on Instagram, analyze how they grow, and create a 1-month content plan. I then ask for the results in PDF format. In ChatGPT, I selected Agent Mode and just look at how it takes over the computer with research and clicking. After a while, it returns the requested PDF report. The next point is group chats and exporting chats. ChatGPT group chats let multiple people collaborate within a single conversation with shared context. To start one, click Start a new group chat and add people or invite them with a link. Everyone can talk, edit, and review together. You can also export all your chats by creating a shared link that lets others view or download your work. This works for all chats in ChatGPT. To do this, simply open any chat, click Share at the top left, and copy the link. Anyone can view, download, and continue chatting once shared. The next point is parental control. This helps parents and guardians manage how children use ChatGPT. To set it up, go to Settings, click Parental Control, and add a family member. You can control what children see and what they can talk about. The next point is to study with ChatGPT in Study and Learn mode. This helps with structured learning and checking understanding. To use it, select Study and Learn mode from the drop-down menu. Upload a PDF or document and start asking questions. You can say something like, explain this concept as if I were in 5th grade. You can also select quizzes in the same chat and let ChatGPT test your understanding. This is very helpful for students preparing for exams. The next point is shopping research. This feature helps you compare products and services. ChatGPT summarizes options, features, prices, and trade-offs. For example, if you want to buy a product and you have conflicting ideas, you can ask ChatGPT to compare the top brands, recommend the best one for your budget, and send a link to buy it based on your location. To use this, select shopping research from the drop-down menu and start prompting. And that is it. You just went from using ChatGPT like a simple chat box to understanding how it really works. You now know what to use and how to use it. If this video helped you, like it and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.